Hi, today it's a white wine saffron sauce with fish. It's going to be great. Stay tuned. Okay, the first thing we're going to need to do is salt and pepper your fish. So let's get salt and pepper on there to season, however you like it, and make sure you do both sides. Let's cook some fish. We'll need some olive oil, about 2 ounces in your frying pan here. And that's your white wine saffron sauce. The saffron that I'm using is this golden saffron. You can find it on the internet anywhere. It's organic, it's natural, and it's affordable. It's quite good, absolutely, quite good. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy your meal if you're going to make this. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you next time. Okay, we can shut all this off now.